I got a key that's going to bring us inside one of our completed projects to take you through the whole thing. So follow me, let's check it out. Welcome back to our Central Burlington project. We're all finished. I'm going to take you through, show you what we did. Behind this beautiful note for us is a pantry that's coming out. This entire kitchen, the stairs to the basement, island goes. This is a load-bearing wall, and it's also coming out. Start off over here in the laundry room. New cabinetry for storage and some ability to hang some stuff to dry. A new sink, quartz countertops, side-by-side washer and dryer. All new floors and trim throughout. This is one of our full light frosted doors that we put in. A new powder room, sink, faucet, countertops, vanity, and a toilet, light fixtures, and a fan. We're here in the foyer, and down here we have a inlay of a herringbone tile. So when you were here last, these stairs curved all the way to the second floor. We've completely removed the stairs and replaced them with a new set, new posts, handrails, and pickets as well. And on this side, the entrance to the basement used to be here, but that turn was really tight and we wanted to eliminate it. So we relocated the entrance to the basement to the back of the house. And now you can go straight down the stairs without any problems. Here we are in the family room. Before we started, there was a load-bearing wall dividing the kitchen from the family room. We removed the wall, put in a beam, and now we have full access to both, so everybody can see each other and be together. Here we are in the kitchen, all kinds of features and things throughout. We have custom cabinetry with quartz countertops, under cabinet lighting, new exhaust, composite sink as well. We have a two-tone island, so the cabinets for the island are a different color from the main cabinetry. We have some floating shelves up here. Follow me this way. So all kinds of storage space in a pantry like this. Open shelving so you can see what's here. We have a beverage fridge. Also on this side, we have a built-in microwave with some closed cabinetry and an area to place your appliances. So here we are in an in-home office, a new space created for the homeowners. Essentially taking over a living room and reconfiguring the main floor, we were able to build a space like this. So desk, nice overhead lighting, and a wall treatment, so things look good on Zoom and FaceTime, where we seem to spend more time these days. All right, let's go upstairs and I'm gonna show you where Chloe, Ben, and Owen sleep and what we did for them. Here is the main bathroom. Brand new vanity, custom made to fit with a quartz countertop. You can see our Aria vents, brand new bathtub enclosure, new faucets, a large soap niche. All the bedrooms got new carpet and all new trim, casing, baseboards, and doors. Here we are in the girls' bedroom. This is where we completely removed the closets to open it up to put some built-in cabinetry for clothing and storage. And then we created this wonderful desk space that clearly gets used for the reason we put it here. Great use of the space for a small amount of work. Let me take you to the bathroom we built for the only girl in the house. Brand new bathroom. We put in a brand new vanity with a countertop and faucet, new toilet, and a complete shower enclosure. Hey, that's it for the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you made it this far in the video, we will see you next time. Cheers.